Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 1.5 question number 5 as rationalize the denominators of the following. Let us rationalize. Number 1 is 1 by root 7. We have to rationalize these denominators. How you will rationalize? First of all, multiply the numerator by root 7 and also multiply the denominator by root 7. Root 7 into root 7. We are getting root 7 into 1, that is equal to root 7, and root 7 by root 7, that is 7. That is the answer. That is the answer. Let us solve question number 2. Question number 2 is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. If we want to rationalize this one, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by root 7 plus 6. Root 7 plus root 6. It is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. We want to rationalize, you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by root 7 plus root 6 plus root 6. Here also divided by root 7 plus root 6. And we are getting root 7 plus root 6 divided by a minus b into a plus b, that is root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square, root 6 whole square. That means we are getting root 7 plus root 6. Root 7 into root 7 is 7 and root 6 into root 6 is 6. That means we are getting root 7 plus root 6. 7 minus 6, that is 1. Root 7 plus root 6 divided by 1, that is equal to root 7 plus root 6. Root 7 plus root 6. That is answer. Now we'll solve question number 3. Question number 3 here is 1 by root 5 plus root 2. If we want to rationalize, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by root 5 minus root 2. 1 into root 5 minus root 2. Multiply the numerator and denominator both by root 5 plus 2. Root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2. Root 5 minus root 2. And we are getting root 5 minus root 2. Root 5 minus root 2. We apply the identity a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, the root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. That means we are getting root 5 minus root 2 minus root 2. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Root 2 in root 2 is 2. 5 minus 2. That is we are getting root 5 minus root 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. That is root 5 minus root 2 by 3. That is the answer of question number 3. Let us solve question number 4. Question number 4 is 1 by root 7 minus 2, root 7 minus 2. If we want to rationalize this one, the denominator, then we have to multiply the numerator and denominator both by root 7 plus 2. That is 1 by root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 plus 2. And we are getting root 7 plus 2, root 7 plus 2. And if we apply the identity a minus b into a plus b, that a square minus b square, that root 7 whole square minus 2 square. And we are getting root 7 plus 2. We are getting root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 into root 7 is 7 minus 2 into 2 is 4, 7 minus 4. That means we are getting root 7 plus 2 divided by 7 minus 4, that is 3. This is the answer of question number 4. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.